Hi Wisconsin, this video is for the Pick 3 pair method. In that method, all I do is I go back for about a month, and what I'm looking for is basically I'm trying to find out what day is bringing in the pairs and then applying that to the next 7 days. For your state, this method is good for 7 days. In your state, as far as I can tell, there is no pair play offered, but what I like to do in those type of states is just show you the method that I use, and then that should be able to help you, not limit, that's the wrong word, but to eliminate certain 3 digits you might be looking at in your workouts. Okay, and then your state seems to like Fridays for this method. In this next section, I'm just going to show you kind of the method that I use, and then at the very end I'll show you some potential pairs I think may be hitting in the next 7 days. So if this page, if you cannot see that very well, then make sure you pull up your own, whatever site you use to track the numbers. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So basically what you're looking for, so I went back to August 31st, that was a Friday. The number that hit that day was 619. So what you're looking for either a 6-1 pair, a 1-9 pair, a 6-9 pair, a 9-6 pair, a 1-6 pair, and a 9-1 pair. So in this week, you did have a 9-6 back pair with 796 on September 5th. And then you just do the same exact thing for the next week. So on September 7th, you had 809 hit. So the pairs you're looking for are 80, 09, 89, 08, 98, and 90. In this week, you had 948 on September 14th, and then that would mean you had a 9x8 split on that week. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple more examples. Okay, so so I have to relist that September 14th right there because we're looking at the Fridays. So in this week, what you're looking for is a 9-4 pair, a 4-8 pair, a 9-8 pair, and then an 8-9 pair, a 4-9 pair, or an 8-4 pair. So in this week, you actually had a 984 re-hit that was on September 19th. So that means you had a 9-8 front pair, an 8-4 back pair, a 9x4 split, and then that was from 984. And then you also had 945 hit on September 20th. So you had a 9-4 front pair from that 948 on September 14th. Okay, so in this next week, also make sure, I'm going to show you something really, a neat pattern I happened to notice. So you may want to go ahead and back test this to see how often it happens. So pay attention to that 948, keep that in mind, okay? So in this week, you had on September 21st, you had 183 fall. So you're looking for a 1-8 pair, an 8-3 pair, a 1-3 pair, a 3-1 pair, an 8-1 pair, or a 3-8 pair. So in this week, on September 28th, you did have 8x1 split with 841. Really quickly, I just want to show you. So 948 fell there, right? You notice how September 22nd had 947 fall. So I thought that was interesting. So this is separate than the pair method I'm showing you, but it's just a pattern I happen to notice. And then if you look at 183 there, again, this is separate than the pair method I just explained to you. But you also had 841 fall. So I thought that was interesting. You may want to go back in your history and see how often in the same, a relatively short time frame that the digits, +1 or -1. So just something I found interesting, so I would definitely check that out. And then back to the pair method. The potential pairs in the next 7 days, based on what I just covered, is going to be coming from most likely that 841 that hit on yesterday on Friday. So you might have like an 8x1 split, an 8-1 front pair, a 1-4 back pair, an 8x4 split, an 8-4 front pair, a 1x8 split, and a 1-8 back pair. Of course, this might show up in a way that I have not listed here, so it might show up like 8-1 back pair, 8-4 back pair, and then, so on and so on with that. So that's pretty much it, Wisconsin. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.